Good afternoon. Today is 31st of July, and my name is Nagnath Bhagwan Banade. And today I am discussing about hash map and tree map in Java. So let's start. So hash map is a basically class which extend the abstract map class and implements the map interface as well as a serializable and clonable interface. But in the other hand, tree map is also a class and it also extends the abstract map class, and it implements the navigable map and serializable and clonable interface. Let's see the map. Some differences between the map hash map and tree map. Hash map use the key and value pair to store the elements in the map, because hash map implement the map interface, and map interface provide the key and value pairs. That's why it perform the operations on the basis of key and value pairs, and it cannot contain the duplicate objects or elements in map. It that's and it have the it provide the only one null key in the map, and it provides the multiple null values or duplicate values in the map. So and it doesn't maintain the any insertion order or ascending order, any order of the objects or elements in the map. And it is internally used the hash table structure or hashing structure to store the elements in the map. So let's see the about the some points about the tree map. Tree map also perform the operation on the basis of key and value pair, because it is also implement the map interface. So it also does not contain the duplicate element in the tree map, or it also does not contains the any null or single null key in the map, but it contains the duplicate or multiple null values in the map. A tree map maintains the natural order or ascending order. So whenever we using the tree map, it is always maintain the insertion order of that element. So and it is internally use the tree data structures to store the elements in the map. So these are the basic some differences about tree map and hash map. Let's see the what actually hash map and tree map. Java hash map is basically uses the hash table structure to and hash table structure internally and implement the map interface. And on the other hand, Java tree map use the binary search tree data structure to store the elements and implement the map interface. So let's see about the performance of the hash map and tree map. As compared to the tree map, hash map is faster than the tree map, because the time complexity of hash map is less than the tree map. It requires less time as compared to the tree map, because hash map provides a constant executions. So let's see the next about the tree map. See the next difference is hash map allows the heterogeneous elements or objects to store in the map, but because hash map doesn't perform any sorting on the basis of key, or it does not maintain the any order of the object or elements. That's why it also able to store the heterogeneous objects in the map. But in other hand, tree map doesn't allow the store the heterogeneous objects or elements, because it's perform the operations on the, or it sort the element on the basis of key. That's why it's only store the homogeneous elements in the map. So hash map is internally use the equals method to compare the two keys when we added the new key into the hash table, hash map, it use the equals method to compare the uh, uh, key of the two keys. But in other hand, trimap is used the compare to method to compare two keys, because it requires to sort the elements in the basis of key. So this is the main difference of these tools. Let's see the another difference is, let's see the which map is used to when which situations. When we require to store the element in the sorting format, then it is always good practice to, or good to use the best way to use the trim app, because we want to element in the sorted format, then we use trim app. And whenever we do not require the any ascending or sorting of that objects, then we can use the hash map, because it gives the less time efficiency as compared to the trim map. So these are the some differences of hash map and trim map. So I can stop here. Thank you so much.